Hello mga ka-learners, it's me again, Teacher Rem, at ang ating lesson for today, it's about solving problems involving sides of a polygon. Let us have our examples. Example 1. A regular polygon has an exterior angle that measures 40 degrees. How many sides does a polygon have? First, identify what is being asked. The number of sides of the polygon. Step 2. Identify what are the given or what is given. The given in the problem is measure of an exterior angle, which is 40 degrees. Step 3. Determine the formula to be used. Yes, since we have exterior angle that measure 40 degrees, we will use measure of exterior angle equals 360 degrees over n. Step 4. Write down the solution. From the formula, we have to substitute 40 in place of the measure of an exterior angle. And then, multiply both sides of the equation by the least common multiple of the denominators, which is n. And then simplify. So we have 40n equals 360. After that, divide both sides of the equation by 40. So the value of n now is 9. So the final answer, the number of sides of polygon is 9. Number 2 example. The sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 540 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Again, step 1, identify what is being asked. Yes. According to the problem, we are looking for the number of sides of the regular polygon. Step 2, what is given? Correct. The given is sum of the interior angles, which is 540 degrees. Step 3, determine the formula to be used. You got it. We will use the formula for the sum of the interior angles, and that is 180 times the quantity of n minus 2. Step 4, write down the solution. From the formula, we have to substitute 540 in place of the sum of the interior angles. And then, simplify. We have 540 equals 180 times n, which is 180n, minus 180 times 2, and that is 360. After that, by using addition property of equality, we will add both sides by 360. Then simplify. We have 540 plus 360 is equal to 180n. After that, get the sum of 540 and 360. So we have 900 is equal to 180n. And to get the value of n, we have to divide both sides by 180. So the value of n now is 5. So the final answer, the number of sides of the polygon is 5. Let's have example 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle measures 135 degrees? First, identify what is being asked. Yes, according to the problem, we are looking for the number of sides of the regular polygon. Step 2, identify what is given. Correct. According to the problem, the given is the measure of each interior angle. and that is 135 degrees. Step 3. Determine the formula to be used. Correct. Since we have each interior angle, we will use the formula of each interior angle, and that is 180 degrees times the quantity of n minus 2 all over n. Step 4. Write down the solution. Yes, from the formula, we have to substitute 135 degrees in place of the measure of each interior angle. So we have 135 is equal to 180 times the quantity of n minus 2 all over n. And then, multiply both sides of the equation by the least common multiple of the denominators, which is n. And then simplify. So we have 135n equals 180 times the quantity of n minus 2. By applying distributive property, we will have 135n is equal to 180 times n, and that is 180n minus 180 times 2, we have 360. The next step is to combine the similar terms. In order for us to combine the similar terms, we have to subtract both sides of the equation by 180n. And then simplify. So we have negative 45n equals negative 360. After that, divide both sides of the equation by negative 45. So the value of n now is 8. The final answer? The number of sides of the polygon is 8. Now let us proceed to a wrap-up. In solving the problem involving sides of a polygon, it is important that you are familiar with the formula of polygons. Directions. Answer the following. What is the formula to be used to solve the following? Denote n as the number of sides of the polygon. Number 1, sum of interior angles. 2, each interior angle. 3, each exterior angle. Great! So we have 180 degrees times the quantity of n minus 2 as the formula of the sum of interior angles, and 180 degrees times the quantity of n minus 2 all over n as the formula of each interior angle, and 360 degrees over n as the formula of each exterior angle. Letter B. What are the steps you should follow in order for you to solve problem involving sides of a polygon? You got it! Steps in solving problems are: identify what is being asked, identify what are the given, determine which formula or equation you should use, write down the solution, and final answer. And that's all for today. Goodbye, students. Have a nice day.